Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Bisma Official is my channel, it's my YouTube channel. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. Today I have a very interesting and nice video for you. Today we will learn how to read deleted WhatsApp messages or how to see your deleted WhatsApp message. Sometimes when you on your data, you see that someone has sent you a message and has deleted it, but you didn't see the exact message. So now I will show you step by step how to follow and see your deleted message on WhatsApp. Let's start. As I said, kindly subscribe to my channel, watch the video, follow the steps. Thank you. Let's start. Open your Play Store. You search for this app, Notisave. So you click on Notisave. Search for Notisave. Yes, Notisave. You Notisave. So this is my Notisave. So I will install. Please follow the steps so that you can read or you can get your undeleted WhatsApp message. You can read. So follow the steps. So my Notisave is installed. It is installing. So you finish for your message to install or your app to install. That's Notisave. It is installing. It will soon finish installing. So be patient. Now it has finished installing. So you open it. It is opening. So you click next, allow. You click here. You see the next down. You click next. And here you search for your Notisave app. So this is my Notisave app. So I'll click on it. Now I'll on the notification access. So I'll allow. Now click. I'll go back. Allow. Yes. Good. I'll click on next. Here you see something. You see all apps. All apps in front. You see the all apps has been highlighted or has been ticked. But on top, all app, we see it is off. So you on it and off it. When on and off it, all the apps will be off. You go back. You go back. So you go and check your notif. So this is my Notisave app. So I'll open it. See, there's this thing here. You click. Yes. Good. So when you click like this, you go to your WhatsApp. So I have two WhatsApp. I have my business and normal WhatsApp. Here, I'll select someone I want to send a message. So I'll select the name here. I'm sending this guy a message or my other number message. Hi, how are you? How are you? How are you? Yes. I'll send the message. See that I've sent the message. So let me go to the under WhatsApp and see. You see, this is the message. Hi, how are you? So I will delete it. I will delete it. So this is the message. So I will delete it. I will delete it. You see? Yes, I have deleted it. And you come here, you see the message has been deleted. So if you on your WhatsApp like this and you see it has deleted, don't worry. You go to your notification or your app. That's Noti Save. So you click on it. When you click, you see your WhatsApp. This thing is here. So this is the message. You can see, hi, how are you? You can see, hi, how are you? Yes. So the moment you open, you see save on top, save. So this is the WhatsApp message that has been deleted. So you click on it to see your WhatsApp message. So this is the WhatsApp message that has been deleted. So this is how you can see deleted WhatsApp. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.